Presenting OnePlus 8 Pro 5G with 48 megapixel rear camera and 16 megapixel front camera. You have 3 color options to choose from: Onyx Black, Glacial Green and Ultramarine Blue. You can also choose from 2 memory variants as 8GB RAM with 128GB internal storage and 12GB RAM with 256GB internal storage. Both the SIM slots support nano SIMs with 5G connections on dual standby. 6.78-inch 120Hz fluid display with 3168 by 1440 pixels resolution and 513 ppi density let you have an immersive experience. This smartphone also features in-display fingerprint sensor. The 48 megapixel rear camera is capable of shooting 4K or Ultra HD videos at 30 or 60 fps. OnePlus 8 5G Pro is powered by Oxygen operating system, which is based on Android version 10 with 2.86 GHz of clock speed with Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 powered by Kryo 585 CPU octa-core processor and Adreno 650. The 4510 mAh lithium-ion battery provides you with longer talk time. The box includes Warp charger, 30T power adapter, Warp Type-C cable which supports USB 2.0, quick start guide, welcome letter, safety information and warranty card, logo sticker, case, pre-applied screen protector and SIM tray ejector. The OnePlus 8 5G Pro smartphone comes with 1-year manufacturer warranty on the device and 6 months manufacturer warranty on the in-box accessories including the batteries. You can avail EMI options and pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. 10-day return or replacement policy for damaged or defective product. For further information, visit the product detail page.
Download the Amazon Alexa app from the Play Store. Check if there are any updates for the Qualcomm Voice Assist app. Launch the Alexa app. Log in with your Amazon ID. Give permissions to Alexa and Qualcomm Voice Assist. Make sure to go for voice training so Alexa can learn your voice. Alexa. Alexa. You can allow Alexa to respond even when your phone is locked. Give Alexa access to your contact list to make hands-free calls. Here is the Alexa home screen. Now you're all set. Why not ask Alexa a question? Alexa, how are you?
I'm happy to be talking to you. How are you doing?
I'm great too, thanks.
So glad to hear it.
To access Alexa through touch, make sure to add it as a widget on the home screen. Tap and hold the Alexa icon, click widget and drag it into position. From here, Alexa is just one tap away at all times.